How to fix Uber payment method error. Let's get started. First, remove and re-add your card. Sometimes Uber locks up a card after multiple failed attempts. Go to Wallet in the Uber app, select the problematic card, tap Delete. Then add payment method, re-enter card info manually or via scan. Card number, expiration date, CVV, billing postal code, then save. Check international settings. If you're outside your card's issuing country, update the billing country correctly. Delete and re-add the card with your current country selected. Ensure card info is correct. Double check card number, expiration date, CVV, postal and zip code. Check card is not expired, has sufficient funds and supports international online transactions. Contact your bank to confirm there is no fraud block. Likewise, update the Uber app. Head towards Play Store or App Store, search for the app Uber. If you found out the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Use an alternative payment. Add PayPal if available. In countries with it, try adding Uber Cash, gift cards, or linking Apple Pay or Google Pay. And that's it. These are some fixes for Uber payment issue. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.